Okay, this is video number 2, and I'm standing in the doorway here of this. This is a spare room I had upstairs in the second floor, and you can see it needs a lot of work yet. For those that don't know, I'm going to say 3.5 years ago I had a fire, so I had to gut my house and redo it. So, but like I say, this whole video blog thing, video podcast thing kind of got me going here. So this room, we several people, we talked about it. I never knew what to call it. Is it a game room? Is it a study, a library? Well, now it's turning into a studio. And so as I walk in here, and you can see there's a lot of things done, a lot of things not done. No window trim yet. No flooring yet. No window coverings yet. So I have a lot of things, and so it'll be fun to share the progress of all this as we go. It is really hard to tell. Oh, the light is on. The paint color, I got to start with that. My sister and I argued a lot. She's like, well, tell me what color you painted it. I don't need to know the name. And I said, well, the name is important because the name is why I chose the color. And this one is Forgive Quickly. So what better place to have a studio and talk about politics and everything else than to have a paint scheme called Forgive Quickly. So I'm enjoying that. Okay, I mentioned in my first video the phone wasn't really working, and so again I spent about 10-15 bucks on a cheap camera. It really works good, but it just the computer could not handle it. And again, there's my computer. The panel is gone because that got lost in the fire. So that computer, it's not only like 10 years old, but it's also been through a fire. But again, so when I started doing this, I was having just really a lot of issues with the video quality. And so how do I take care of that? Well, you buy a video card. I have been out of the computer market, whatever, for apparently over 10 years. So I did not know what to do, and it took a lot of research, but I finally got the Radian Hellhound. It was refurbished from Newegg, which I'm gonna also throw a lot of frickin' shout outs to different people. And Newegg, they treated me right. I've got another issue that I might talk to you guys later about. But to get the video card, then I needed a new power supply because my old power supply didn't have the power to handle the video card. So those were the quote unquote the new things that I bought. I went on Facebook Marketplace and spent about $70 to get this monitor stand. I had about, with the $70, that also included 5 different monitors, but the Asus ones I got to work good. So there's those. And so this is going to be my base of operations. And like I say, it's been kind of overwhelming, but that's okay. I can handle it. And then just for all the whatevers, those cords hanging out is for another project I got going on, because I also picked up a couple old computers, so I'm trying to work on those. And so I need this one, which is my main computer, to get that stuff going. So like I say, it's just been extraordinarily mentally challenging. I also stated, like I said, anybody with ideas, make sure you give me a note. Give me a comment. I'm looking forward to this and looking forward to hearing from you.